Let us find out the arithmetic mean of 315, 216, 125, 277, 365, 467, 145. Here the formula is summation of x divided by n. That means we have to take the sum of all the numbers, then divided by how many, the number of terms. Okay, how many numbers are given, that number you have to divide by. Now first of all, let us take the sum of all these numbers, 315, 216, 125, etc. And here the number of terms is equal to 7. Therefore, we have to divide by 7. Now, by calculating, the total number of sum is equal to 1910 divided by 7, and after calculation it is 272.86. We have considered 2 decimal point.